You guys, this is about to be such an awesome clean with me video. My whole house, especially our room, is so filthy. Like, it's been like a really rough week, but this is about to be an awesome clean with me. Please do not judge me because my house is filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at this, you guys. So disgusting. But I feel like if we didn't have such a small townhouse, like, it makes all the rooms small, so it looks like it's dirty, but in actuality, if we had like a big room, this wouldn't even look like this little bit of stuff everywhere would look like nothing, basically. It wouldn't be like, oh gosh, this is like crap everywhere. But like I said, this is about to be such an awesome clean with me, so let me go ahead and get started.
Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out.
On my dresser, I'm using Grove Collaborative Glass Cleaner and Method All-Purpose Cleaner.
Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine, turn my life around. Wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The where do will knock you down. You know there's an ocean between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night, way up in the clouds. The where do will knock you down. You know there's an ocean between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. There's nothing new in this game. You got to get it up. up, give it up.
The products I use to clean my bathroom include the Method Foam and Bathroom Cleaner in a eucalyptus mint scent. I use bleach. I use Dawn dish soap inside of my little scrub brush. I use the Grove Collaborative Glass Cleaner, Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleaner, Pinesol inside of my mop water, and also the Method Anti-Bac Spearmint for my toilet and a Clorox toilet wand.
But you're my all that I need. I'm telling you why this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories now. The silence come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no, oh no. And I go, cause I got you, I got you. No one's up, oh oh. Show us up, show my home. All that I need. I'm telling you why this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories now. The silence come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
Like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9, we can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind, yeah, I don't really mind. And I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about, nah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Tryna get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just tryna get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me?
So to clean my kitchen, I use Method dish soap, I use Barkeeper Friends soft cleanser, Method Degreaser, Method all-purpose cleaner, and Pinesol to mop my floors.
Why don't you see? Trying to call you Telly. Yeah.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by fourth. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. No. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's not the one thing. You got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No. You should've known it's too late. Should've known it's too late. Yeah, I should've known. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. That ain't enough to turn the page.
You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they're not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now. All up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. Nah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to Pisa? Yeah. That way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. All the Italians, stallions. With the Italian stallions, oh.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
So I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoy these types of videos in general, hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more. But I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I can't help myself falling.